If you're like me, you have or have had that one message that it seems you're always writing out. Whether it be a quick message about missing a meeting, or the first email in response to a potential client, or in response to an inquiry for help. There's a couple of ways to do this, but one of the easiest is to type out something short and let AutoHotkey replace that with the rest of the message. This can be applied to expanding text lingo or for writing that whole first email. To do this, let's open up ahkgen.com. And when it opens, we see that we're provided with a default row. Let's use that row and set it to trigger on a hot string, something you type out to trigger an action. And let's have it use BTW, and we want that to be replaced with by the way, expanding our text lingo for the email to our boss. And submit. And then we can download it here, or if we scroll down, we can see the code that was generated. But let's go ahead and download it for now. And then with AutoHotkey installed, we can have it run just by clicking on it. We see it's running down here in the taskbar. And if we go into Notepad and type out a message with BTW in it, we see that it is replaced with by the way. So this is working. Well, that's cool. But why stop there? We can have it type out our entire first email to someone. So let's add another row. And this time we're going to use first email. And to prevent that from triggering on accident, I'm going to start it with a semicolon, because we very rarely type a semicolon without a space after it in English. And again, we want to have that replace, and we're going to put hello, comma, and then backtick N for a new line in AutoHotkey. Thank you for reaching out. Can you send me more details? New line again, and put your John Hancock there. To test it, I'm going to download the code, run this version, and then I'm going to open up my email client and fill in the basic information to respond to someone. You could also use hot strings for this, but this is just a quick demo, so I'm just using the message. But if I'm using a standard subject, I might do a semicolon first subject. And then for the email, I put semicolon first email, and I see the whole email filled out for me. So that's a quick way to type a longer section of text with minimal input. See you next time.